Hello my viewers, this is going to be a decoration video. As you can see, I'm on the beach and this is my Molden and these are my stamps and my ink pad, really big one for this kind of stamps. I'm going to make this week childish decoration. Here are Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. So I'm going to set this up and you'll see. So I set this stamp up and this is really pink, bright pink of ink color, and I'm going to run it either this way or this way. Okay, this is how it looks like. Really childish, but you know, it's a nice change for a while. And I'm going to take another one and run across. So this is another one running. So this how it looks like right now. I'm not sure if I want to add something else. I'm going to think about it and you'll see. I decided to use the third one and run a really thin line up here without obscuring the month right here, just like that. It's just a little bit. So that's how it looks like, and I think it looks better like that. Maybe I will run it here just to give it a little frame. Okay, I run really thin line here. It gives this look as a frame like that. I think it looks better, and I think that's all for this week, and I hope that you liked it. And this is my location again. Really nice place. Thank you for all your liking of my videos and subscribing. I see you soon. Bye bye.